big breaking news is now coming in. We have been given to understand that there's a bomb threat at 4 district courts in Delhi. Threats were mailed to Dwarka, Patiala House, Rohini and also Saket courts. Let me again repeat that. Threats have been issued to Dwarka, Patiala House, Rohini and Saket courts via email. There are also bomb threats issued to two CRPF schools in the national capital. Threat to CRPF schools in Dwarka and Prashant Vihar. It's a developing story. We'll try to collect more details on that, but this is the big breaking news of the hour. Bomb threat has been reported at 4 district courts in Delhi. These threats were mailed to Dwarka, Patiala House, Rohini and Saket courts. Also to 2 CRPF schools in Delhi. One to Dwarka and Prashant Vihar. My colleague Sabyasachi Roy Chaudhary joining us live with the broadcast. Sabyasachi, what more details do you have with regards to this? And if you are speaking about the mail threats being given to all of these locations, have we sensed some sort of pattern with regards to the previous mail threats which were given to multiple schools here in the national capital?
Definitely. See, in the past also several bomb threats in fact has been received by various schools in the national capital, and after thorough investigation, after proper sanitization, it was found out that there was no bomb. In fact, it was a Hawk's call, and in fact the police, the Delhi police as well as the cyber cell carried out the investigation and found out links to Russia. In fact, today several threats has been received by the district courts here in the national capital, be it the Patiala House court, the court in Rohini as well as in Dwarka, and 2 CRPF school, one in Dwarka and one in Prashant Vihar, has received the bomb threat through mail. Now, immediately the Delhi police was activated, and they immediately vacated all the people who were present in the premises of these courts as well as in the CRPF school, and immediately the bomb squad were called in to sanitize the proper area. Meanwhile, the sanitization process is still underway in the district courts and as well as in the CRPF school. And as per the Delhi police sources, all the district courts security personnel have been activated to check every single corner of these court premises. Meanwhile, the sanitization process is underway, and the Delhi police says that till now they have not found any bomb, but the investigation is still on, the sanitization process is still on, and it's clearly becoming a headache as far as the Delhi police is concerned, because this is not just a one-off incident that has been reported in the national capital. In the past also, not only once but in numerous times, such bomb threat emails have been received by various schools and colleges across the national capital. That seriously raises a lot of question. Meanwhile, the cyber cell as well as the Delhi police is trying to nab these people who are behind these threat calls.
Absolutely. Sabyasachi, thank you so much for providing us all the details that you have collected from your sources so far. So now the combing off is going on at the moment. These court complexes have been vacated after having received the bomb threat mails. Not only the court complexes, to CRPF schools, one in Dwarka and another one in Prashant Vihar, also received these bomb threat emails. The campuses, the premises have been vacated already. And it's extremely scary because we have a very active NIA and other central agency teams on ground probing the 10th of November's blast case here in the national capital. And amidst all of that, amidst chaos, we have another big development coming in with regards to now bomb threats being sent to district courts and schools via emails.